Thank you for clicking on our vehicle advert. I'm Georgia here at Luscombe Motors, and it's my pleasure to introduce this 2020 Toyota RAV4. It is the Excel spec and a hybrid SUV with a 2.5 litre VVTi engine, an automatic gearbox, and a warranty valid until November 2025. It's done just over 12,400 miles with a whopping 47 plus miles per gallon. As you can see, you do get the rear privacy glass on the back three windows, which ties in really nicely with the alloy wheels. Now I must say this car is in fantastic condition. It's been really well looked after and cared for and would make a great family car. So starting off, you do get the power tailgate boot for ease of access. So you do have loads of boot space in the back, as well as a spare wheel underneath. And to operate your power tailgate, just a simple push of a button. Now it is fantastic, makes loading this car really easy. And as you can see, you do get the load bearing roof rails along the top as well. So starting up front, you get a lovely grey leather interior to the car, and it's in great condition. It's been really well looked after. Really high quality materials used on the seating, and a nice wide bolster for a comfortable driving position. Now the seats are electrically adjustable. Just give you a close-up across the door and the dash here and show you that there are no marks or blemishes, and the previous owners really looked after this vehicle. So your in-car entertainment is provided through the colour touch screen in the middle, and as you can see, you do get inbuilt sat-nav as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and DAB radio. Just underneath you have your climate control. It is dual zone, and your gearbox, which does also have both eco and sport modes, as well as off-road mode and automatic handbrake. You do get nice controls like heated seats and steering wheel as well. A really nice feature within this car is the sunroof, which opens all the way back as well, so your passengers can enjoy nice hot sunny days. Plus it does open as well. Really easy to control with the window opening and just the cover opening there. You do get lots of safety features and driver aids in this vehicle, with a leather multifunction heated steering wheel and really easy controls for things like your traction control, different driving modes, and lots of other handy features. Having a look in the back, as you can see, really good quality condition with the leather seats following through. You have plenty of legroom for back passengers, as well as two handy USB ports in the back. Another great feature is this armrest, some cup holders involved in there, which are really nice for your passengers, and lots of handy storage too. So that's it. That's our 2020 Toyota RAV4 with the Excel spec It is a hybrid SUV, done just over 12,400 miles and a great miles per gallon as well. If you would like to have a look underneath the hood, then we do recommend you watch our technician's appraisal video, where you can see everything from the tyres, the treads, the exhaust, even the aircon. So you can buy a used car with full trust and confidence. If you would like to find out a bit more about the car or take it for a test drive, then please don't hesitate to get in touch with a member of our team. Thank you again for watching.